A man asked and posted a similar question to the Prophet ﷺ when he came and said, tell me about Islam. Among the things that the Prophet told him ﷺ, he said that Allah mandated that you pray 5 times a day. And the man said, nothing else? And the Prophet said, ﷺ, nothing else, unless you want to do voluntary prayers. So the man concluded his presentation by saying, by the one who sent you with the truth, I will do exactly what you told me without increasing or decreasing from it. Meaning, I will only pray the 5 Fard prayers. When the man left, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, if he's telling the truth, if he abides by what he committed himself to, then he has succeeded. This means that what we're obliged to do are the five Fard prayers. That's it. And whatever you do more, this is for your benefit. But if you don't do anything else, you're not sinful. Now, having said that, no one in his right mind, when asked, would you like me to give you 10 lakh rupees or 10 rupees only? No one in his right mind, when given the choice, would say, oh no, 10 rupees is sufficient. Everybody would say, of course 10 lakh. If you can make it 100 lakhs, that would be even greater. Why would it come, when it comes to salat, you say, oh, I only want to pray the 5 Fard prayers. Okay, no problem, there's no sin on you. But if you were to know that praying the 5 Fard Salah would put you here in Jannah, if you ever enter it. While if you pray the 12 rak'ahs, in addition to the Fard prayers, it will place you here. And if you pray night prayer, it will place you over here. Would you not offer them? Of course not, you would. In addition to that, when you pray the 5 daily prayers only, definitely there will be lack of concentration, some additional movement, being mind absent. And these all reduce from the reward of your prayers. As per the hadith, Allah orders the angels to write half of it, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, until 1/10 of the prayer is registered and 9/10 are thrown down the drains. Then Allah says to the angels, search and look if my servant has offered any voluntary prayers to compensate for such missing rewards. And if you do have voluntary prayers, it will compensate it and elevate its level. So you should consider that, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.